I grew up here. I live right across the street.
I don't care.
I'm going in the bar that I want to go in to see all of my friends.
You're not going in the bar. Security has said I can trespass you. Either leave now or go to jail. It's your choice.
You want a piece of gum?
Do you understand? Yes or no?
For what reason? Give me a reason.
Okay, I've already explained it to you.
He's been very nice so far. If you do not leave right now, you're going to go in handcuffs. You're going to go to jail.
Trespassing for what reason? I'm 22 years old. For what reason? For what reason? I'm 22 years old.
Seems like the people in the bar, they had enough of her, you know, they don't want to deal with her anymore.
So listen,
It looks like
he's being very nice to you.
No, she's not.
I don't want to see you go to jail tonight.
I live right across the street. It's what's pissing me off. All of my friends are here.
That's irrelevant to the point.
if you live across the street, that's even better. You can reach home faster.
I understand that. I get you're frustrated. But right now, I don't want to see you go to jail for trespassing, so please, you gotta walk on.
I don't want to go home. All my friends are here. Like, I'm 22 years old. All my friends are here. I grew up here. I live right across the fucking street. I live in Calhoun Drive. What the fuck is the
Everything you're saying right
matter?
now, though, is irrelevant to the current situation.
What am I saying that's irrelevant
You're
to
saying
the
you're 22,
situation?
you live here, all this is irrelevant information.
Irrelevant to this situation. It means the information does not help.
Exactly.
You're not being allowed here right now.
Why am I not being allowed here right now? Because she's a girl cop and she's a bitch? What the fuck am I not being allowed here for?
That's another irrelevant statement that you just made. They want you to
So what am I not being allowed here for?
The business doesn't want you.
The business does not want you here.
Why?
Yep, they don't want her here. I think she came before and she got drunk and she made a argument. She made a noise, I guess. So they don't want to deal with her
It's
anymore.
the business I want me here.
The security has said that they do not want you in their business.
Why?
They don't have to give a reason why. It's private property.
No, I want to know why. Because I live right across the street. I'm 22 years old. Why am I not
She repeating the information for the camera now. She said that
allowed
already.
here?
That's information.
What's your name? What's your badge number?
My name is Deputy Shelby Carroll, and we don't have badge numbers.
What's your badge number?
We don't have badge numbers.
Every sheriff, every officer has badge number. You even know how to badge?
I mean, she's a nice lady, yeah, but she just drinking is messing her up. Huh?
Do you see a number on my badge?
No.
Correct. So you need to leave. Respectfully, security has told you need to leave. We have told you need to
But
leave.
why?
We're giving you
But
every
why? I'm
My name's
asking you
Tim.
why.
I'm the manager here.
I'm
you
best
came in-
friend. I'm best friends with so many people that own bars here. I live right across
Yeah, she looked friendly. She looked like she's friendly with everybody else, but you know, she's argumentative. She argue a
the
lot.
street. I don't know why I'm not allowed to come in here.
I'll explain to you.
Explain to
When
me.
you came in, the male that you were with, you started arguing.
No, we didn't argue. I asked if I could talk to
we
him.
are the
He
ones
said
that
no.
make that decision, and we felt that you might have been a threat because of the
Why was
behavior.
I a threat?
So at this point,
Can you go talk to Johnny?
well, I don't know who Johnny is, but
Oh, you don't know Johnny who owes
here's the deal. If you don't leave, we can arrest you for trespassing because I've already asked you to leave. They've asked you to leave.
But why? Why?
I just explained
You
to
need to
you.
No,
understand.
you didn't give me
You
a
need to
very
understand
valid
this.
reason.
Listen.
I'm 22 years
Listen.
old. I grew up right across
Listen.
the street.
She's she's very nice lady. She's calm. She's not a threat to anybody, but she just argue a lot. I think she knows it. That's why.
I know everybody who knows
But she's a nice lady though. She's very nice.
every bar that owns. I know everybody that owns every bar on this road.
What's your first name?
I'm not telling you that. I
I'm
would
just
like
trying to
to
be respectful
give.
to address you properly.
I would like to give a valid person my ID that knows my family that will let me in.
It doesn't make a difference who your family is.
Growing up
It
right
will
across the
not.
street, I've seen other.
I know you know everybody. You know everybody that knows everybody. We've already been over that. Right now, you're wasting their time.
I don't care if I'm wasting their time.
Okay.
They were rude to me.
No, they weren't. They're
Yes,
doing
they
their job.
were.
Ma'am,
I mean, according to her, if they don't let her in, then that's rude. Yeah, she has a point.
I did. Should have gone.
No, why am I going to jail?
Put your hands
No, you hit me my phone. What the f*** are you putting me on the ground for?
I mean, Putting her in the ground is not necessary. It's not necessary.
Give me my
I
cell
gave you
phone.
every opportunity.
No, what the f is happening here? You give me my cell phone. I'm calling my mother.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
Stop, you're gonna get tased.
I'm not going to deal with it.
Stop.
You understand?
Stop touching me.
No. I have to search you.
No.
I have to
Are
search
you recording?
Yes.
Fucking badge number.
Stop. You're making it way worse on yourself.
What's her badge number?
We don't have badge numbers.
My address her. What's your badge number? Why am I going in the fucking car? Why?
Put your feet in.
Why?
You were given every single chance you possibly.
I think she's a little bit tipsy. She had a little bit of drink, you know.
We could have got
Because
walk
she
off.
was mean. She was
that
mean. I
She's not drunk yet, but she has a little bit of it,
lived
yeah.
here and she was mean.
I mean,
And in the bar, they don't want to see her drink too much, so...
I gave her way more opportunity.
Yeah, more than
I asked one question to my ex.
So, no, you didn't just ask him one question. You followed him around for 10 minutes.
No, I didn't follow him around for 10 minutes.
You kept grabbing at him. He kept telling you to stop. I watched it happen.
No, I would love to look at the cameras and take it to court if that's the case.
But you're not being charged with domestic battery. You're being charged with refuse to leave a property after being asked by an owner or a manager and resisting.
And I know the people. So I don't understand why this guy, who doesn't really own the bar, is asking me to leave.
He's the general manager of the property.
He's the general manager. He doesn't know.
So if security says you're not allowed in, you're not allowed in.
I grew up at that bar. I've been to that bar since I was 6 years old.
I mean, she's not happy, yeah. She lives next to the bar, but for the bar owner, she can bring him even business. Like she's nice with everybody, she's friendly, but I guess she had a situation before, so people are not happy with her. I guess.
That has nothing to do with anything. Who you are or how many times you've been at that bar has nothing to do with what happened tonight.
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not a spring breaker who does some stupid ass shit. I'm a girl who lives here, and I just got broken up with. Sure, and it makes me really upset. Why do I have to go to fucking and stay the night?
I've explained it to you.
Yes, but I don't understand why.
They can't release you because you're intoxicated. You become a liability at that point.
I become a liability.
Yep. She after she drink, she become liability, as the lady said, yeah. The officer
To
said.
the people who release you. Because if you're intoxicated, obviously your motor functions aren't correct and your mind is not in the right place, or else we wouldn't be in the position that we're in now. You would have listened and understood when you were told by security, by me, by my
Multiple
partner,
times.
and by the general manager that you were not going to be allowed in the business and you need to leave.
I don't understand why is the issue. Even
I don't think she doesn't understand. She can't remember what happened yesterday or anything like that. So while she can't remember she think everything is cool. But something happened before.
if I were 100% sober, I wouldn't understand. I've had one shot and I still don't fucking understand.
Yep.
I'm
One
not
shot.
allowed in a place of business because I talked to a boy who broke my fucking heart.
Okay, my partner and I both saw you. Okay, we discussed.
Was it 10 minutes?
We discussed
Cool,
if
was it 10 minutes?
we discussed if we should say something to you.
Cool. Was it 10 minutes?
Okay.
Was it 10 minutes?
At this point, the officer realized that she can't win this argument, yeah?
Exactly. No, it wasn't. It was maybe 3 minutes tops, and you were like, "You're not allowed in." What's your name?
I've told you 3 times
Tell
already.
me again.
Okay, Deputy Carroll.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Okay, it'll be on your arrest
Tell
paperwork.
me again.
Okay, I have told you my name.
Tell me again. You have the obligation to tell me your name when I ask for it. What is your name?
Do you have a law degree?
Tell me your name.
Okay.
When I ask you what your name is, you have an obligation to tell me what your name is.
Again, she's argue a lot. The
I'm
officer
dyslexic. I don't remember names.
It'll be on your arrest paperwork.
No, I want you to tell me. What is your f***ing name? I'm dyslexic. I can't f***ing remember? Tell me your name.
Dyslexia doesn't have anything to do with remembering.
It does. It does. And if you don't have it,
Yep, she can't remember what happened yesterday or the day before, so...
Annabelle was taken to jail and booked on charges of failing to leave after request and resisting arrest. Court records show she later entered a no-contest plea to the failing to leave charge and was barred from the bar for 1 year, while the resisting arrest charge was later dismissed.
I don't think 1 year will change anything, but again, she's a very nice lady, but the drink get the best of her, yeah? Yeah, but I wish her the best, yeah?